All right, guys. So the first clips of this video you're gonna see are gonna be a couple weeks ago. I had a kid drive 10 hours for me to bag his truck, and so these clips were about a month ago now. I just haven't posted them because it wasn't really a full video. So I'm kind of just gonna throw this whole video together. It's just gonna be a couple videos. And one, I guess you could say, like past videos, and one was like last weekend, or we went riding this weekend too, and yesterday with Colt. So I'm just gonna throw all these videos together and make it just one. So don't hate me. I'm kind of been stumped on making content, so we're gonna get into it. All right, so today I had a guy named Trey. He drove 9 hours from Ohio for me to bag his truck. 9 hours, drove straight 9 hours. Look at the Sierra. Look at this thing. 26 by 14s, 35s, chrome FTS, all powdered. Look at that blue FTS uppers. Look at the sexy red thing. So yeah, he drove 9 hours yesterday. Today's Saturday. He got here yesterday about what, 6 o'clock? 6. So we're gonna bag his truck, throw some wheel lights on it, and throw some rock lights on it. And so he brought everything with him. Look at this thing is full. Look at that. He actually got everything. So everything to bag the truck. Here's the wheel lights. What is 10 rows? In and out 10 row? Yeah, 10 row wheel lights. His switch panel. Bought some bag brackets, his bags, his compressors, some fender liners. So we got a bunch of work to do, and so we're gonna get started on it. And I gotta pull the spare tire out first. And then yeah, Cash is also here. He drove down last night, and you got here what, 12 last night?
Yeah, about 12:15.
Yeah, he got here about 12 o'clock last night. He's here. He's gonna do some rock lights on his truck while I'm working on this one. And so yeah, let's get to it. Trap is jumping, boy. Even Garrett's here. He pulled up. He's gonna go to Tice's house. We had to run and go get U-bolts because he didn't bring stock U-bolts. We forgot about that. And he drove like 45 minutes to the parts store to get U-bolts, and they only gave him one set, and that's the only set they had. So now we're going to Lil John's shop to go pick up some used U-bolts for his truck. So yeah. All right, so it has been a while since I picked y'all up. Like, look at all this crap. It has been a while. We have literally had problem after problem after problem. First, it was trying to get those older, he had bought them used bag brackets from somebody because we couldn't get any. First, it was that. Then U-bolts, it happened. They only gave him one set of U-bolts for one side, so had to deal with that. And then had to go back and get nuts for those. It has been a whole ordeal. I just got back. I dropped them off. They went back to the hotel. And the spare tire was even a problem. Trying to get the spare tire out, but it's squatted. We are fixing to, I'm fixing to start putting these bag brackets up under the truck. And so, yeah, I'm gonna haul butt with this because I got so much to do, but I'll pick y'all up whenever I can after I show y'all some progress. But yeah. All right, so I had to put the factory, he had drop shackles in it, and it was not gonna work because it wouldn't let the rear end stretch far enough. I don't remember if I ever said that or not. I'm just going through it. But I put factory shackles back in it, and I went ahead and pulled the hub off and the spacer. I went ahead and threw his wheel light on this side, and so boy, did some good work, dude. Look at that, you can't even move the things. So gotta put this back together on this side, put the wheel back on it, and then move to the other side, do the drop shackle, wheel light, and then start mounting the bags. So yeah. All right, so I got the bag and brackets mounted, top and bottom, wheel light on. The solenoid's already on this bag bracket on this side, so put this drum back on, put the wheel spacer back on, put the wheel back on, and the drop shackle, the factory one, is back in. So this side's done until I start wiring. So yeah, let's get to it. So it is really dead ass 12 a.m. I'm calling it quits tonight. Usually I can stay up and do this shit all night, but I've been up early and this thing has kicked my ass because we just had issues after issues with the truck. So just things that are going on and stuff that we didn't have. So I'll call it a night. Look at everything laid out here, all the tools, bro, everything. So I'm gonna cover that up with a blanket so none of the crackheads around here might think they can steal that shit. But yeah, cleaned up, be done for the night. All right, so Compressors are mounted. Tank is mounted. Bags are mounted. So I'm gonna throw the water traps on and plug and put all the plugs and stuff into the tank, and then I run the lines and then get the wiring. So yeah. Alright, bro, so it is literally Sunday. Oh, you hit them things. Ooh, so we just got it done. Did the wheel lights. I installed the wheel lights too. Ooh, you trying to twerk them things. But yeah, the truck's insanely clean. Just got done wiring absolutely everything. Look at this thing. We did do the rock lights though. Don't really have time because he's got to go back 10 hours home. So yeah, so we'll get some clips of this in a little bit. I'm gonna shower, meet up with some friends, and then they're gonna go back to their hotel, shower, and yeah, so we'll get some clips, and yeah. Dude found the curve, boy. So them things are bright. His wheel lights are so bright, dude. It makes mine look bright from right here too. It looks good. But yeah, so we got his truck done. We didn't have time to do the rock lights like I said, but look at this thing. Them wheel lights are bright. I don't even think he needs rock lights, boy. Straight lit up. Bags are done. Bags are done. Didn't have no time to do no powder or nothing, so he can do that eventually though. But both sides done. They worked fine. I showed y'all earlier. But truck looks really, really good. Look at that thing. So yeah, I'm sure y'all see some more shit in this video. What up, people? We out here dove hunting out of my dad's house. Mike goes all the way down there. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's walking around trying to find a Tweety bird or something to do. But here he goes. Shooting pine trees at this point, I guess. But we are gonna dove hunt for a little while and then leave here. We're gonna eat, do my little birthday with my dad and my stepmom, and then go ride tonight. So alright, so just pulled up at Michael's house. I'm finna get some ice from my cooler. Truck cleaned up yesterday. I didn't say nothing about that before we went to Top Golf, but I got side by side loaded. We're finna go ride Brookwood. So I gotta get some ice from my cooler. Micah just left. He's gotta run to AutoZone and get some stuff for his side by side. But look where I got that thing. It's a little wet spot from that SC1. But finna grab ice real quick and head to Brookwood and unload, start riding. So yeah, we got pulled, dude. We got pulled. Me and Michael, we just pulled over as soon as we passed him. I knew it was gonna happen, so we just pulled over. He says he's gonna write us warnings and let us go on about our day. So straight up got pulled over. Get Michael back there. Chug-a-lug-a-lug through the creek. Look at Tucker out there. Look at it. Got water in the floorboard a little bit back there. Just gonna get something now. Look. Woo, feet getting wet. Swimming.
Well, it never got over the bars, dude.
They did when we first dropped off that little dip.
Day 2.
Take the dog out. We're going to Hooker's Bend. Get a little, probably 15-20 minute drive. Side by side. But we're going to Hooker's. She never rode really that much before, so I'm gonna take her out riding. So she rides in the neighborhood, but never like this. So take her to Hooker's, see if she can let her play in the water or whatever. So I'll pick y'all up a little bit. So we made it down here to Hooker's. Me and Nova. Just a little solo ride today, me and her. And yeah, we're down here at Hooker's Bend. Got it side by side down here. I think I'm gonna take my whole socks off and back it off in the water over here a little bit and try and wash some of this mud and stuff off of it. but she ain't really ever done this, so I think she's having a pretty good time. But it's for usually where everybody, I don't know what that is. Everybody comes out here and parties at nighttime, and we used to jump off this rock into the water, but it looks pretty shallow now. It might not be that bad right there, but yeah. Overall, the Fender, I've had it. This is my 3rd weekend that I've owned it, and I really like this thing. It's done really good for me, and really roomy and everything, and I haven't really had any issues out of it yet. So I really do enjoy it. I've been enjoying it. So thing's dirty though. I'm gonna after I get done around here, take it to Micah's house and go detail it and clean it. Well, it's a kid's sock. But yeah, this place is pretty beautiful. So pretty cool looking. So I'll back it off in here and get a little. I guess I'll sit y'all up somewhere. So pop little socks on. That's the water, dude. Ooh, that water cold. That water cold, girl. Barely, dude. Barely see me. There we go. What? You be soaking ass wet and get back in my side-by-side. Soaking butt wet. Look at her. She's having the time of her life out here. Glad I brought her.
Day 3.
Anyway, so go. Dude, I want to. We in razor territory.
Yeah, this ain't no. Oh my god.
It is a razor, but
Yeah, so we out here riding.
90-degree incline.
I'll lean all the way back.
For real. Look, we really about to be.
Oh my god.
We called that the other day right here. We got scared.
Look, we're doing some Seaboy shit. Dude is destroying it. Is he stuck?
We're headed off trail.
We're literally doing some Seaboys TV, bro. Look, he's gonna be stuck. Oh god, dude. Oh god, dude. He's stolen that thing.
This ain't gonna do anything. I'm telling you. Climb it. Crawl it. Crawl it.
There's no way, bro. Y'all understand? Y'all understand what he just took this up? Like, let me get down. It don't even look bad on camera. Oh, y'all can see it. Dude, the sun is getting it. gonna flip this thing.
About to fucking fly over this thing.
This is the 2025 Easy Go Defender durability test.
Come get it.
Go get it. Who wants some?
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm driving. Get loose around the corner. Alright, gotta slow down. We're gonna end up in the damn rut. I'm talking about in. There's that thing around it.
So y'all gonna see probably part of this on his video. But he got me helping him put his drive shaft spacer in, and we're finna put the blocks in the rear so this thing will set completely level. So he stacked a little two inch level?
It's like an inch and a half.
Inch and a half level, so trying to get it set completely level. So it has a 2-inch block in the rear now. We're finna put a 4.5 inch, 5 inch?
4 and 3/4, like a 5 inch.
5-inch block in the rear, try and get this thing up higher. So it'll be about 3 more inches higher in the rear. So
Squat man, lock them up, lock them up.
dude is doing some rigging.
You gotta
Lock
do what
'em
you gotta
up.
do to get it up
Lock
there.
him up. This kid needs to go to jail.
Lock me up.
Lock him up.
Lock me up bad. Stay!
Skate! That boy Colt's cleaning up, but we got everything done. Drive shaft spacer, bigger blocks. And so, pick that thing up a lot more in the rear.
Pretty level to me, honestly. I think it's level enough.
It's a lot better. I don't think you're
Just
gonna
have
mess
a
with it
cobble
bad.
past it.
Yeah, so it looks a lot better than it did. But yeah. Woo! Look at his little ass. Look at the little ass. I think it's looking big. Don't hit my little truck! Yeah, I think it looks way bigger now. Look at that thing. Look at him, watch him. Lock him up, dude. Lock him up. Yeah, that thing looks pretty good. Kev liking it too.
I think it's big enough. I need to go a little bit bigger so I can stand straight up there.
Look at look.
That red F-150. Oh, Caleb down there standing under the mirror.
I still got a little bit.
Yeah.
Good
Hudson
job.
walked up to it last night and he was really close. I think he might actually can go up under it with how it is now. It's big now. We level. No more squat band. Ban them all.
Look at the ones.
I know. I'll fix them. I ain't even think about that yet. I'll fix them. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it before it even goes in my video.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to put a swing.
Boy, Kevin got the show
I need
shirt
to put
on.
a swing, bro.
Look at Kevin's show shirt. I love the shirt. This is still my favorite shirt that I
my
have.
favorite.
Favorite show shirts.
That one and the Montgomery High Class.
Yeah,
one.
that one's
The
fine.
Montgomery High Class is my favorite. I ain't
That's
gonna
true.
lie.
I love that.
That's
I
what
wear
my
that
shirts
shirt
are gonna
all
be.
the
I ain't gonna
time.
lie. I can send
Yeah.
I can send Caleb a little picture. We'll pop it up, a little teaser for my show.
So now, like, if you're sitting beside you, can see the fucking horn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks,
you really
huge.
can. Need to change the
Crazy.
color now.
Ban them. Ban them all.
Ban them all.
Ban them all.
All of them.
Ban them all.
This one's banned.
Yep. Boy, getting some clips of this thing. But it's done now. Boy, it's maxed. So, finna hop in my little ass truck and head to the crib and take a shower. I'm filthy, y'all can't even tell. It's camera angle, whatever. Filthy, so I need to go shower and get into bed. I gotta work tomorrow. So, yeah.